Hey guys, so this is any background noise, but I'm gonna show you how to make slime. Look, I have it almost finished. I put some foam beads in it. There's a lot of it, and I know this is like really easy to get from any store. It is Model Magic. I put some foam beads to give it like a nice texture. It's really big and fluffy, and you just put lotion in it. Lotion! That's all you need. That's all you need. Lotion. So lotion is all you need. And let me just start mixing this. The beads keep falling out. Not foam beads. Should I call them? What are they called? Comment down below if you know what they're called. Because they're called foam beads. Also, go check out my Twins channel. Maybe Pickle. No, I'll link in the description. But, you know, I'm not a boss. Then you need them on the magic. And I dyed mine blue. Pen. Lotion. Anything extra? Woo. There we go. So then you're gonna need a container for it. This is the only container I have. Oh, magic does not dry out though. Is that perfect? So if you want this to be like real slime, just if you were bringing it to school, you need to take it out of your backpack without a container, without a bag or anything. Hey, here's my slime. That's all magic. You just took it out of your backpack without a container. Oh, it's just non-dryable. No way. That's all magic. You don't want that fight. It's just like, oh, cute. It's so fluffy and light. And air. Magic. Is that actually slime or that is small magic? It's slime made with small magic. Potion! Go buy it from Myers. That's why I got some. $7 for this bit. There was one that was $7 for more. I didn't get it because it was blue. What? I don't blue dye. It just turned out like green, blue, red, yellow. I just didn't want it because yellow is ugly. I like red though. And if you want, I know there's like a YouTuber obsessed with yellow. Got a Mr. Kate makeover. Kate, I watched that. Got a Mr. Kate makeover. And mostly everything that they got made over was yellow. And then there was some pink. I'm sorry if anyone is yellow. I just don't really like yellow. There's like no yellow. I just got my yellow made over and there's no yellow. There's only gold. Okay, so now it's getting a little sticky. They give you like, leave your hand. Oh, excuse me, guys. Excuse me. So that's how you make or any kind of activators. No glue. No kind of activator. Nothing. It's not like those face mask ones. They use activator. No, it uses not activator. It just uses motion. This is what you sometimes use in like soften up slime. So guys. Oh shoot. I am going to mix it together. And do a little some oh shoot. ASMR. And the video. Now you guys don't want to see my feet. What the heck? I know slimy. So crazy. And your slime or ocean. Something else over on your hands, but guys. I don't know what. Don't judge me. Oh, I would be so happy if I got at least one subscriber. 800. Happy. One like, the only likes I have on my videos. Let me just make it smart. Background noise again. Only one sibling. Don't we have another either. Four circles. So, yeah. Anyway, it's done, guys. Quick ASMR to Goodbye.